even you, Senator, will do that. You are bluffing.
Oh, no, Senator, I would and I will and I will do whatever is necessary to protect America from anyone who opposes her. I can't. Am I the only person in this room who's been reading these NSA reports?
I've read them.
All right, then you know we are on the brink of another cataclysm, probably nuclear, on our own soil.
Oh, Ellie, that's a bit extreme.
And it's not from random terrorists, but from covert alliances of disaffected nations who have all been made bold by this kind of Jordan one-worlder who believes that human beings are essentially good and that our power is somehow, I don't know, shameful or evil or never to be used. Make no mistake, the American people are terrified. They know something's coming. They can feel it. And we can either shovel them the same old shit and call it sugar, or we can arm them. We can arm them with a young, vibrant vice president. We can give them heat, energy, give them a war hero with heart, forged by enemy fire in the desert, in the dark, when American lives hung in the balance.